Hi everyone, Dave Mitchell from Bayview Renovations, and it's the end of week one of our Birtinya Court project in Frankston, and so much has been done. Let's get into it. So you're looking at the kitchen, or what was the kitchen. It's completely been removed, as you can see. The guys have removed part of the plaster and part of a non-structural wall here. So you can see that little section that's gone. It was just a tiny bit of wall there. No props or anything on that bit of roofing, so very easy to do. In fact, all of our props are on this wall here, so that's all staying in place. And you can see there, part of that flooring was not underneath where the cupboards were in the past. So luckily, when we put the new kitchen in, we'll cover most of that footprint. On this side here, we've got two little sections where we'll have to put flooring in. So we'll be removing some of the flooring here and moving it into these sections here. The water points will just move across a little bit. Gas will get moved from here across to that point there, which is easy to do. This is where our canopy is going to go. So we'll put a cowl in the roof there to take all of the gases and steam, etc. out. Where the old range hood was, there was just a hole cut in the roof. So there was actually no cowl at all, which is fascinating to us. We see these things all the time. So yeah, basically that's the kitchen. We've already had the cabinet makers through. They've done all of their measurements. It's all being made at the moment. So where probably the bulk of the work's being done is in the bathroom. You can see here where, if you look at the before video, there was a doorway that went through here into the toilet. So we basically reframed that wall there. You probably see it better here from inside the bathroom. You can see that there, that window, that used to be the toilet window. We're just going to fill that window in. It'll just have some cladding on the outside. We're keeping this window here. We've framed inside that. That's where the shower head will go. You can see the boys have put that strip grate in place there in the shower. When we pulled this out, the house was full of termites. So all of that timber all through that corner and all of that base plate there, it all had to be replaced. You can see underneath there, it was all gone. It was completely eaten. We didn't see any evidence of termites at all. And it hadn't got to the rafters in the roof space or anything like that. But yeah, we've definitely taken care of everything in that respect. So shower base is all done. You can see that big shower niche there. And then on this side here, the toilet's going to be relocated to here. So you can see we've back blocked here for the toilet roll holder. We've back blocked up there for robe hooks. We've also on this side here, this is where the new bath location will be. So you can see we've marked where the mixers and the spout will go. And obviously that's where our little niche will be for the bath, on the end of the bath. On this side here, this is where our vanity will go. So you can see we've back blocked and marked where the spout and the mixer will go. And then obviously in this location here, this is where the shaving cabinet will be located. And then we've back blocked here for our towel rails as well on this side. In this bathroom, probably the biggest thing was the removal of, there was like a wall here, like again, a non-load bearing wall. You can see there's nothing on the ceiling at all in this location, no load at all. And so it was very easy for the boys to do that. Now it's just relocating the plumbing to the new location. So shower used to be here, toilet used to be there. Shower is now there, toilet is now here. And we've just got one big open room that's going to be so much more functional. You can also see the guys, our boys have lowered the ceiling. So they basically put new ceiling battens in. And you can see it's slightly lower, and that is so that we get full tiles to the ceiling from the bottom of the strip grate to the actual ceiling battens is perfectly 2400 high. So all of our tile heights, all of our niches and everything is all built to suit tile lines. So yeah, the boys have done really, really well considering it's only the first week. They've done the full rip out, all of the framing for absolutely everything. So it's a great bit of work done. Now the boys will finish straightening all the walls today. They'll do a really big cleanup. You can see we've got plastic down in the entire place on absolutely everywhere and everything. All of the doors have all been kept shut. So there will be a big cleanup. Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week, we'll fine tune everything. We'll get the plumbing roughing done, the electrical roughing done, and then we'll get everything insulated and prepared for plastering. So keeping things moving along pretty quickly. Really proud of our team. Thanks for watching.